Today's date is July 15th, 2025. So here's another play that I was looking at, and I did not play it today, but I wanted to bring to your attention the first peak dip buy that I've seen this pattern repeat many times before. As you can see, this ticker, KAPA, Kappa, Kairos Pharma, had no activity really in the past few days, very little volume. Then suddenly after hours of the previous day, actually no, this is pre-market in the early hours of 8 a.m. this morning, it spiked some increased volume, as you can see here at the bottom. And then it dipped and ran up. Now the first peak, right away what I do is when I see these is I always mark with a blue line. As you can see, there's a blue line here as a potential buy level. If in case the price drops back down to that level, then I can buy in and ride the wave up if it goes up, which a good number of times it definitely does. So it's a good play to keep an eye on. So market opened here, right? Price came down, and then as you can see, it came close to the $1 mark that I marked here. Now, this does happen. It comes close to it. Sometimes it goes below it, and sometimes it's perfect. It hits the mark and then goes reverses. In this case, it was just above it. So if you imagine, the strategy I like to do is I would wait for the dip. The price runs up, pulls back, and then I would buy in on the pullback. So even if you bought in right here, let's say 115. Let's reduce this here. 115. Let's say you bought in at this point, or you bought in at this point. And then if you put your stop loss as, let's say, 5 cents below, for a three times profit amount, 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. So that would be around 120, 125, 130. So would have been a little tight there possibly between the buy-in and the stop loss, but it would hit your profit target for sure. If we were to, let's say, play it more safely, put it down to, let's say, under the peak here, 107 as a stop loss, you would be looking at for 3 times the profit. 22, 29, 36. 36 would be the profit, and it would still reach it. But yeah, that's it. That's the first peak dip buy. Keep an eye out for these patterns. They do come up often. Sometimes even in the afternoon they run up. This one didn't. But yeah, thought I'd share that with you and also to record it for my own educational purposes. Until next time.